If you have a Facebook friend that continues to post daily, annoying you with their different posts, and you don't want to see them anymore, you want to hide those posts, yet you still want to be their friend because, number one, you don't want them to see that you unfriended them, and number two, you might want to check up on your friend every once in a while. So in order to do that, to hide all of their posts, their spam, go to one of their posts below, or the next time you see one. So for example, the Scott guy here. Let's say that I'm tired of seeing all his posts. What I'm going to do is go by his post and click the three little dots. And what you want to do is you want to click unfollow this person, but stop seeing posts, but stay friends. So that's what I'm going to choose. Don't choose hide posts or see fewer posts like this because it's not going to do anything. So what we're going to do is unfollow him, but yet this is still going to make me his friend. So thank God I'm not going to see this guy's post anymore. Alright, thanks so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe.